Hey everybody, it's Gina from Auntie Gina's Cucina. Tonight I am making a very rich, thick, decadent sauce. I'm going to put it over rigatoni. All I am using is, well not only, but half an onion sliced, 4 sausage links, some grated cheese, white wine, heavy cream, and a little chicken stock and salt and pepper. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil and start sauteing the onion, and then I'll show you how I put the sausage in and what comes next, because the sausage has to cook properly before you add all the other ingredients. So come back and I'll show you what I'm starting with. All right, everybody, I'm back. I've cooked the onions for about 5 minutes, okay? And now, this is just what you do, okay? Just squeeze it out of the casing. And then once you get all of this done, you have to gradually, with a fork, just break up the pieces of sausage, all right? So I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to throw in the mushroom, but I'll show you what the sausage looks like when I come back. All right, everybody, I have... See how all the sausage is broken up into little pieces? These are the sliced mushrooms. I'm going to toss that in. I know this dish has a lot of steps, but I'm going to be honest with you. The flavor is amazing. So you're going to, oops, we have a jumper. Just cook this, and this is pretty much, now you want it on high. Before, I had it on a medium because I didn't want the onions to burn. So now I'm just going to cook the mushrooms with the onion and sausage. All right. And this is where you would add a little bit of salt. Not a lot, because we're going to add some chicken stock. But I just want to flavor up the mushrooms, because mushrooms don't really, you know, they absorb whatever flavor you put into them. So now, we're going to put about a cup of white wine, all right? And then, as soon as the mushroom, there's no more liquid into it, I'm going to add the chicken stock, okay? So this way, because it kind of goes fast after this, all right? And always shake your chicken stock. And again, another cup. And this is where you let it cook for about 15 minutes. I'll show you the next step. Okay, everybody. It's about 15 minutes later. Most of the liquid is evaporated. Now, we're going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. All right, so pour it right in, give or take. All right, and about half a cup of grated cheese, a little bit of black pepper, and we're going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes, okay, with the lid on. All right, and it'll thicken up, and it'll be just delicious. That's when you'll taste it to see if you need a little bit of salt. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done.